Number 1. Answer should be 7. Number 2. Answer should be 17. Number 3. The answer should be 21. Number 4. 23 is the answer. Last one. Answer should be 30. Bring up a number from 1 to 10. Winning number today is 3. Homework check. That would be from 829. Homework answers. Bring up 1 through 3. If you have the answers to all 3 of these right, then come up and get 3 million. Bring up 4 through 6. If you have all 3 answers right for each problem, then come up and collect. Bring up 7 through 9. If you have the answers to all 3 of them correct, then come up and get 3 million. Bring up 10 through 12. If you have all 3 right, come up and get 3 million. Bring up 13 through 15. If you have all 3 of them correct, come and get 3 million. Questions about homework. Papers to pass out, that would be no. And the objective for today. 9th grade numbers, number sense, and operations, number 2. And on this one, we will determine equivalent forms for rational and irrational numbers. Specifically today, the learning target is to do the following. To convert 0.4 repeating, for example, into a fraction. That's what we will concentrate on today. So example problem number 1, we'll start out with 0.4 repeating. To change that into a fraction, you must let x equal 0.444 repeating. If you only have one digit that repeats, then you're going to multiply by 10. If you have 2, you multiply by 100. How many digits repeat in 0.4 repeating?
1.
Just 1. It's the 0.4. So you're going to multiply by 10. If I multiply x by 10, I get 10x. If I multiply 0.4 repeating by 10, I get 4.444 repeating. Subtract the 2 of them. 10x minus x is 9x. And 4.4 repeating minus 4 repeating leaves me with what? 4. To solve, you must put the 4, the number on the right, over top of the number beside the x. This is your answer. Put 4 divided by 9 in your calculator and see if it comes out to be 0.4 repeating. Yes, it does. So that is the answer. Here's another example. 0.8 repeating. X equals 0.888 repeating. Multiply by what number? 10. So I have 10x equals what? Yeah, 8.888 repeating. Now do what operation? Subtract. 10x minus x is what? 9x. And 8.8 repeating minus 0.8 repeating is what? 8. And what's my final answer? 8 over 9. Put 8 over 9 in your calculator. Divide 8 by 9. Does it come out to be 0.8 repeating? Yes. Well, on those calculators you were using, the screen only holds so many numbers, and it will take it out as far as it can go except for the last digit, which it will round up. But it's still 0.8 repeating. A practice problem. Give this a try and drop it off. .7 repeating. Change that to a fraction. The practice, it will all boil down to 7/9 once you do all the work. So if it's 0.7 repeating, the x is equal to 0.7 repeating. That's what it's equal to. What's beside it is a 1, even though you don't write it. You never write 1 beside x, but I'll do it this time. Then if you multiply by 10, you get 10x. So it bumps the decimal place one place to the right. And when you subtract, you have 9x equals 7. So x equals this, the 0.77. But that's not what we're trying to find. We're trying to find 7/9. Eventually, x will equal 7/9. But to start out with, it's 0.7 repeating. The way that can happen is the following. Is this a true statement? 0.7 repeating blank 7/9, and I put an equal sign in there. Is that true or false? True. It's true, so that's why you can let this equal 0.7 repeating to start with, and then when you solve it down, it puts it into a fraction form. It's still the same thing. It doesn't change value. Only the form changes. Bonus problem. 0.6 repeating. For the bonus problem, it should be x equals 0.666 repeating, and then 10x equals 0.666 repeating. That should be 6.6 repeating. And when you subtract, you'll have 9x equals 6, which is indeed 6/9, but that reduces to 2/3. Example number 3. 0.35 repeating. How many digits repeat in this decimal?
2.
2. So we still start with x equals 0.3535. But instead of multiplying by 10, we multiply by what? 100. So if I multiply by 100, what is my new decimal?
35.35.
Yeah, 35.3535. If I subtract, I'm left with what on the left? 99x, and what about the right? 35. So x would equal 35/99. If it can reduce, then reduce it. If it can't, then don't. This is as far as that one will go, so it's 35/99. Here's one that will reduce. Example number 4. 0.39 repeating. X equals 0.3939 ... and then 100x equals 393939 ... Subtract to get 99x equals what? 39. And 39/99 is my fraction, but what number goes into both of them?
3.
3. How many times does 3 go into 39?
13 times.
And how many times into 99?
39.
33, yes. So 13/33 would be your final answer for that. Bring this up and drop it off. For the practice problem, of course it's going to be 100x equals 63.6363 ... and then x equals 0.6363, dot, dot, dot. Subtract. 99x equals 63. However, that can be reduced. 3 goes into both of them. Actually, 9 goes into both of them to make it 7/11. Bonus problem. 0.72 repeating. Here, you should have x equals 0.7272 dot, 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 and then 100x equals 72.7272 dot, dot, dot. When you subtract, you get 99x equals 72. That is indeed 72/99. If you divide both by 3, you get 24/33, but it can still be divided. 3 will still go into both of them. 8/11 should be the answer. Homework assignment for tonight. Yeah, you can always take a picture of homework.